Hey guys, Mur-Lock 68 here. Hope everybody's well. Away from the shop today, but wanted to share a little story with you guys. An incident that happened with an order I had placed from Amazon.ca here in Canada. So anyways, I placed an order through them for the Commando tactical padlock with the shackle guard. I think it's the IC3 tactical. You guys know I've featured the Peacemaker Commando padlock a few times. So anyway, I ordered this, paid, and 10 days later get an email from Amazon telling me that my order was canceled. I couldn't believe it. I didn't understand what was going on. So long story short, once they canceled it, I reached out to Commando through several different forums, and I didn't hear anything back. But you know, it goes to show that there still are some good people out there, some honest people. Surprisingly, yesterday I received a package in the mail, a package that I was not expecting, a name that I did not recognize, from Peter Smith. And as I looked closely, it was coming from Troy, Michigan, and from Commando Padlock. And that's what I received. No message, no nothing. Brand new, in the box, military grade, exactly what I was looking for. So I guess they did get my message and immediately made good and send me this at no cost. So this thing is an absolute beast. So basically, same padlock. You turn the key, you get it open. If you reverse it, now turn the key, shackle comes out, and you can pull this guard separate the guard from the padlock. And then if you want to put it in, it's just the same. You put it in just to lock the shackle, and then you're back in. I'm sure you've seen this before. It's been featured. Just a beautiful padlock. So I thought I'd share that story with you, and see if I could also maybe pick this on camera for you guys. Using a different method of filming, so bear with me. This came straight out of the package, as you guys see. So there's a click out of 5. Just going to recock that and reset this tensioner. Start off with pin 1. Pin 2. Pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 5, nothing. Coming back up. This is full of security pins, 10 securities, so both key pins. Just gonna switch tensioners here. I think I'm going to get the proper tension now. So I'm going to go in, start from the back. Click out of 5, click out of 4, click out of 3, 2, there's a click, another 1 out of 3, click out of 4, click out of 5, okay, back up to 1, loose, 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 I think pin 5 might have a little more to give. Okay, coming up to pin 3, nothing. Now stuck on pin 2. And I lost my tension again. Oh boy. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm going to be coming up a little higher here to make sure that I actually have good tension. And we'll start from the back again. Get right in there. There's a click out of 5, 4. 1 is loose, 2, 3, 4. So I got 1 pin here. Tension's moderate. Slight rotation on the core. Click out of 2. I'm hung up on pin number 4. with this being a dead core, you have that same issue when trying to set the spool. Going to pull this tensioner out a little bit. Just going to rotate this core slightly manually. And we got it. Oh, that was quite the fight. So basically now, if you were picking this in the field, you still couldn't get whatever you needed to get out. You'd have to pick it a second time to be able to pull the shackle cover off, guys. So, and I showed you how that works with the key, so I'll lock it back up and I'll give you guys a show again. So basically that gives you the open. You're going to rotate, pull out, pull the shackle guard out, and if you want to put it back in, it's the same. You're going to pop it in. You're going to pop it in, rotate the key, and lock it up. So that's the Commando IC3 tactical padlock, guys. There's the key. Some nice bitting there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a little struggle with my new camera angle, trying some different things, but that's it. And thanks, shout out to Commando and Peter Smith for a nice gesture after that mess with Amazon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks, guys.